Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to save Midjourney images in high quality. For example, I have an image created by Midjourney. For example, if I right click on the image and click on save image, it will be saved into my file manager. If I go to the properties of the picture and go to the details, you will see the dimensions are 816 by 1456. So if it's a low resolution for you and you want to increase the resolution of the Midjourney image, then what you have to do is open that same image created by Midjourney in Adobe Photoshop. Once the image has been opened in the Adobe Photoshop, all you have to do is click on the edit, go to preferences, go to product improvement, go to technology previews. From here you have to enable the preserve detail 2.0 upscale. Once this toggle is turned on, you have to click on OK. From here you have to go to image, click on image size. From here you can tweak the size of your image. For example, if I select the pixels, now I can change the pixels from 816 to 4000 in 7137. If I click on OK, as you can see, my image is now upscaled to 4000 pixels. Now to export the image, I have to go to File, go to Export, Export As. I will select the quality to 7 and I will click on Export. I will select my path, click on Save. Now my image has been saved. Now if I go to my file manager, you will see a new image has been saved. This is the old image and this is the new image from Photoshop. If I open the image, now I can zoom into my photo and my image is now upscaled and it is in high quality. And that's how you can save Midjourney images in high quality. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.